to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
time of today, today. To dream, believe, you are the strength, you're all I need. Oh, gonna give it a shot, only one of me, to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero, you're a superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Can I be your superhero? Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Hi everyone to a new video today. My name is Mohammed Ali. I'm the founder CEO of Trading Gene. And today we're gonna talk about the 1% trader secret. Okay, what's differentiate them from you and how you can be one of them. And basically all what is gonna be discussed today prepare you to be a better trader in the future, understand your trading strategy better. I help you in this case. Yes, let's dive a little bit deeper. Right now I'm opening the trading view charts over here. Let's watch first of all what the market is doing. After that, we're gonna go dig deeper into the trades of the 1% trader secret. Currently the market is quite sideways as I see in the crypto market. Let's dive deeper. Okay, last time we talked about taking profit over there. Wait a second. Where let me close. I was testing a strategy over here. Let me close this testing strategy over here. Some A lot of messiness over here. Madness, quite a madness. Yes, let's dive deeper into the crypto space. Okay, what the market is doing. The Bitcoin is going down. Okay, this has quite been sideways last few days, last few weeks even. From April to over here, 20s. This is quite interesting to see. Let's see what the ETF market is doing. A little bit down also today. Let's see what the top 10 Nasdaq, top 10 S&P 500 stock are doing. They are quite a little bit also in red. A better way to find out, just go to heat map. Okay, stock market heat map or crypto stock market heat map. By TradingView, you can see it quite beautiful. Okay, is this better way to oversee the overview what's happening currently in the market? And it's great. Red, red, red. Not that positive. Crypto. Okay, the crypto is not working like this. Let's again go back. the crypto thing is gonna be similar also. Let's now dive a little bit deeper into the discussion of 1% trader secret. Okay, why I'm qualified to do that? I have my own company, I'm doing analysis, I'm talking always every day with traders who are successful on daily basis. They are telling me they are systematic strategies, how they went from zero to hero, basically said. uh, what's make them the three things I noticed in the 1% trader mentality is they have, first of all, they have quite good risk management. They understand their strategy quite well, their trading strategy. Second of all, they know exactly when to buy, where to sell, because they have studied the market quite well. If you are in the industry, finance, or into the metal industry or technology, they know exactly how this industry is working and the connection of this industry and the supply chain of this industry also. And the third thing which I noticed of the 1% trader mentality is what they have a quite clear philosophy. Their philosophy is most of people build their philosophy based off on a mentor or someone you're looking forward to be this person who is your hero, I would say. For example, Warren Buffett's philosophy is to buy the market while it's crashing, to 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 sell when a lot of greed in the market, and to buy when there's a lot of fear in the market. And how we can do that exactly, how we can see the fear and greed of the market when we go to the fear greed index. There is one for crypto and one for stock markets by CNN. When you see basically said the fear and greed index of the CNN is for today is a little bit fear going into neutral for the last week where extreme fear, the people were fearful, and we could see that also in a different index is called volatility index. And this volatility index is another way to measure the market sentiment. Market sentiment, a sentiment is the mood, how the people are thinking about the current stock market, and the fear and greed index and the VIX, the volatility index, trying to tell you that. And when we see over here in the last year was quite fearful, and still the Warren Buffett, the Berkshire Hathaway hedge funds. If you don't know what the hedge fund is a company which are managing assets, money of other people. So they gather money and they manage it, they invest it into stocks, and they have return on investment. It said you get your money, you get the percentage of the wins or the profit, said, and they keep a percentage of it, and basically said what a hedge fund is. Okay, if you are not familiar with the whole concept of the stock market and so on, please share it to me. So let me switch again to the YouTube channel. If you have any question, please don't hesitate, just ask it. I'm here to help you out, and this is free. This is your chance to learn from me 101 and ask you questions so you improve your trading strategy. So let's move on. We said this is free fear and greed index, and what also make the 1% trader successful is extreme discipline. Okay, many people think when they are going into the stock market in 1 to 6 months they can be profitable traders, and that is wrong. You need to study, you need to study a lot of charts, you need to study a lot of psychology, you need to study a lot of statistics, very important. You need to understand the math behind the financial market. Financial market is it's all about math, and the right math equation can solve you the problem. That's why I would say one of the key traits also the successful traders have, they understand the strategy very well. They do statistical analysis of their strategy to understand their risk levels, their average duration of their trades, to understand their alpha. Alpha said the advantage, more advantage than the investing in the S&P 500. So let's go let me just give me a second. Let me go to the channel and see if anyone is writing over there. Okay, I'm gonna write in the channel. Please write your question here. So let's move forward. The second thing is it's very important to understand the psychology of the market. Okay, many people are telling you successful people, we call them also the big boys. If you don't know who the big boys are, they are hedge funds, basically a word summarizing hedge funds, institutional, big player in the market, or the market movers. We call them the big boys. The big boys have a lot of money and they can move market more powerfully. So the average Joe in the market, basically you and me, the retail traders, cannot move the market in such a way as the big boys is doing. So so what is said, the people mostly only rely on the, okay, let's go a little bit back over here. For Bitcoin, this is quite clear. Okay, quite clear chart. Let's make it bigger. Okay, they are only relying on the technical analysis. I can remember one of the YouTubers, where while I was starting the my journey in the crypto space, and he was like analyzing over here in 2021 why the Bitcoin went down, and he was like, okay, we have here over here clear shoulder head situation, and that is why the market went down. This was a clear shoulder head situation, and he said that is the reason his market went down. Of course, that wasn't correct, because behind it was the fundamental of crypto space, and that was the reason why it was down, went down. So only relying on technical analysis is quite bad, and the people who is relying on technical analysis, there is people out there just waiting for you to take you money, because they're gonna do the opposite. They have a lot of money, a lot of leverage. They know exactly approximately where your trades are, where your stop loss are, where you take profits are. They are waiting for that to get triggered. Trigger your stop loss, trigger you take profit, not trigger you take profit, so you don't come out with the money. So don't rely only on the technical analysis. So understand the market, understand where the volume of the money is going into the market. Okay, you can break it down and into the industry level, break it down a little bit more onto the company or the asset level, and understand how the money is moving currently in the asset level. In trading views, you can simply use just the volume indicator in the trading view and see the volume is going up and down, or you can take a better approach, which is fixed range fixed range fixed range volume profile. Okay, let me delete this. Why is this happening? I think I have too many indicators open currently. Okay, okay, or you can come to the sidebar and go over here. Okay, and choose the fixed range volume profile and take from the bottom to the top and see where the volume currently are. And these volume levels are telling you the support resistance level basically in the asset. So support resistance levels are, simply said, are the magnets of where the price want to go. So is magnet. This is a magnet. So price one go there, and here is also a magnet. Price one want also to go there. So where is the magnet? There is the money. So the big players also called the magnet, where the volume is basically is happening, where a lot of sales order, a lot of buy orders there is a volume. So follow the momentum of the market and don't follow only the technical analysis. Understand where the money is going, understand the psychology behind it, why is this happening, and that is very important. The 1% traders is not telling you that is what it is, that they are doing a lot of analysis in it, not head and shoulders analysis is like more behind it. In the crypto space, Bitcoin, like for example, the holders wallets They understand the current news situation. They understand the net flows to the inflows and outflows to the exchange. They understand inflows, outflows of the miners to the exchange. And they know, okay, the miners currently trying to sell, so we can buy a little bit cheaper the Bitcoin and sell it for higher or short it even. So short and sell basically said short when the price fall down, you make money. You take a bet in the market, so when the price fell down, you make money. And long, this is where the market when it's moved higher level, for example, when the price of the Bitcoin, let's see, it was at 100 dollars, okay, and went up to 110 over here, 110. Let's see, this is hypothetical 110, and you made $10 profit. And short, basically, when you short and the price goes down to the $90, you make also profit. So this is like taking a bet. And this is for more details. If you need to understand more details about this concept, please just write it in the comment on the right side of your chat if you are on the PC, or downside if you are on the cell phone. So be cautious when you are making analysis. What I think it is very important to understand, for example, it is the statistical behind it. Let's let's take another approach. Let's take another asset, for example, and let's take Mastercard. Let's take Mastercard over here. Mastercard is quite interesting company. So let's remove this, remove this, remove this. Okay, all drawing is removed. So what the average people is doing, okay, most of the people who are starting their journey, they start with relative strength index and moving averages, exponential moving averages. So let's do the moving average a little bit thicker style thing over here. Okay, let's make it, let's add another one, moving. Okay, my plan currently has two limits in it. So they are using the moving averages. Moving averages basically say they are getting the average price, so they reduce the noise of it, of the price volatility. And the RSI also doing the similar way to understand the volatility of the market, so relative strength index. So the people have this strategy. They are saying, okay, when this case is happening, when the RSI is over 60%, then it is overbought. Or in this strategy, the RSI provider over here, developer said when it is over 70%, it is overvalued, so you should sell. And when it is under 20%, under 30%, then it is undervalued. You should buy the asset. So in this example, he would say, okay, when the price was here, it was quite overvalued, you should sell. And the people are combining the RSI with the moving averages. And let's go deeper over here. And the pro trader, what they are doing, okay, the usual average choice is gonna, when they set this happens, they're gonna take a trades like this. Okay, let's go join over here, take stop loss over here, random stop loss. Okay, 1 2 3, they are doing like this. Okay, 1 2 3, they don't understand the risk levels. Every time their risk level is changing. Okay, like over here is a little bit more risk, they're taking here more risk, doing it like this and changing it always. So it is very important to have a consistent plan Okay, consistent plan which is occurring more often. So when you have a strategy which you are winning zero half a percent, 0.5%, okay, in a daily basis or in each trade, it is better than having one trade in months and winning 20% because this one 0.5% is a compound effect to it and also less risk to it also. So when you are wanting 20% win in one trade, you are risking also a lot. So the pro traders don't do that. They just write codes. Basically, they're using Python libraries, Python library. Python as a language and libraries from Python, Yahoo Finance, and so on. And they test the strategy to see how much risk they are taking, how much profit they are taking, when exactly their strategies are working under which conditions. So the pro traders are also good at the Python programming. So we said they have philosophy, they understand their risk management, when we said also they understand quite well the market. They are good at programming and they are good at Python programming specifically said, and also good at the statistic of the financial markets. So if I would start at the whole financial market, I would say I will start with understanding the financial market, the different asset of it, the different industry, how this industry is working, how the correlation between those industry, and how can I write a programming language to confirm my strategy and tell me my risk levels and reward levels. And there is out there in the markets, many people are saying, okay, when we talk specifically, I'm currently based in Innsbruck, Austria, and in Austria or in German countries, they are quite afraid from the stock market. They are quite shy also towards it. When they listen to me or talk, I'm working in the financial industry or I am trader, they are like, okay, what the fuck, what you're doing? Are you crazy? So because in academical way, the financial market is a random work, you cannot have an advantage in the market better than S&P 500. So they are telling you, okay, this is a random work, and statistically you cannot win the market or overcome the S&P 500, which is at the 30 years basis, the S&P 500. Okay, let's open it. SYPY here. As the S&P 500 moves yearly in the last 30 years, it moved approximately per year at the range of 7.5%, or last 20 years or the last few years, I think it was at the 10.5%. So it's quite interesting to see such behavior. As is 10%, 7.5% is quite a lot, I would say. This is if you have the right leverage. And one other trait of the 1% traders secret is they are losing the power of money. So they have a quite strategy which is working quite well. They are not making quite big money, but they are leveraging the money. So what does it mean? So when you have an account with $1,000 and with 7.5% per year annual return, okay, then you make $75, okay, $75, or you can have 100,000, okay, 100,000 account with the same percentage, and you will make 7,500 dollars. So it is all about leverage also when you have a strategy with low risk and with quite risk management, and you understand your market quite well, risk management, and you understand your market, and then it is possible to beat the market. Many cases only on based on the on the parameter we see the financial market or the industry itself is quite correlated and complicated. As a human being, you cannot see everything and be prepared for everything. So as it is going up and downs, the financial markets, up and downs. So some there is different reasons, and the people who's using technical analysis, they're saying because this has happened, this is gonna be indicator when this happen again, the market will do that. So I always say the financial market or the technical analysis, okay, technical analysis is the way to find trends in the market, the psychology levels to understand where the people are most likely to buy or the most likely to sell. So we understand the trends which currently the market is going, be aware of it, understand where the potential people gonna buy or sell. So understand your strategy. As I said, the random work of the market is quite is there is this a hypothesis is telling the market efficiency hypothesis is telling you cannot beat the market, okay. uh this is quite interesting because their medallion hedge fund, okay, of Simons is have been beating the market since 1919s. It is and performing quite well at the range of 60%, I think 62% per year annual return on investment. 6 times better than S&P 500 at least. Okay, at least 10 times better than S&P 500. Uh, when you ask yourself, okay, how they are doing it when statistically is said you cannot beat the S&P 500 or more than S&P 500 is making. The reason is they have artificial intelligence. They need to have models. So they started with bonds models. The Bouchelier model was the first who invented how we should value bonds. That's how we should value options. Sorry for that. How we value options, and he's telling us that option is a nominal um, distribution, and the sellers and the buyers meet in the even point. So the sellers and the buyers should have the same risk levels. So if I'm talking too complicated for you, please just write in the chat in the comment. So I will try to narrow down my language and talk a little bit slower and more clear for you if I'm talking too complicated or the subject is too complicated for you. So let's move forward. Okay, and to another more important thing, it is, okay, artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence. Can artificial intelligence predict the market? Predict the market? Yes and no. Okay, there is different reasons why it cannot predict the market based because artificial intelligence only in one case when you have the right model, the right training for the artificial intelligence, and right people who is optimizing it, and the right data. It's all about data. The much data you have is better. And it could predict the market because the artificial intelligence is using a hidden layers. Those hidden layers, okay, you can imagine it like this. Artificial intelligence is like um, circles, okay, and each circle, okay, connected with each other, and sometimes, okay, and so on, and more. So sometimes artificial intelligence gets deeper and they find hidden circles. We call it the hidden circles, okay, hidden points. Artificial hidden layers is called layers in artificial intelligence, and those layers, the hidden layers, can tell us what the human being cannot see, and which also we cannot understand why it is happening. So artificial intelligence, when you feed it with different data, the price data, the sentiment data, the news data, the supply chain data, the correlation data, and more data. Uh, you should also understand not to overfeed the artificial intelligence. When you're overfeeding the artificial intelligence, then it's going to be problematic because it's going to give you fake output. On those fake outputs is not taking you nowheres. So be careful when you're using the artificial intelligence and understand those hidden layers. There is hidden layers for the markets which artificial intelligence can see it, but we cannot understand why it's happening. I think the medallion hedge fund is going exactly that. So they have different artificial intelligence models and so on. Artificial intelligence itself is quite a big word, but machine learning is a little bit smaller. It is taking the data and training data and testing data, and those data are trying to see the prediction into future. Artificial intelligence, also called natural language processing, which we're doing at the trading gym. We use natural language processing. This is basically said, it is how human being are talking, understanding the human being language, or for example, understanding the English like ChatGPT. It understands what you put in, understand what you put out, and this is called the natural language processing. And there is different kind of it. There is artificial intelligence to understand the speeches, which we are trying to do at the later stages of trading gene, hopefully. And so we're gonna see how these speeches turn to money. So of course, as I said, also one treat also of the 1% trader secrets is they are using quite advanced tools. For example, like Bloomberg for $30,000 per year, which is narrowed down to approximately $2,500. Those tools provide quite more insights, more actionable insights, more details. And when you have more data, you can react to it. There is data and reaction. Okay, there is a published report and there is a reaction of the stock market price. And in some cases, or in the big player cases, those data are processed not manually by human beings. It is more using more advanced algorithm or machines to do that. When this happen, for example, when bad reports of the company happen, then automatically the bots, I would call it bots, taking trades, taking sales trades, short trades, or long trades to gain advantage of it. Quite interesting. So we said, to summarize the whole thing now, okay, ask yourself, okay, ask yourself, why do you think you can beat the market? Do you have a better models? Do you have a better strategy? Do you have a better plan? Do you have better philosophy? Okay. And we said the top 1% mentality is they have a philosophy, they have good risk management, they are good at coding, Python coding, and they are good at statistic, and they are good at their markets. They understand their markets quite well. So that is what is said for today. If you have questions, it's gonna be right now the perfect timing. Otherwise, I'm gonna do some trading some analysis of the market, and let's see what's happened. Let's see what's happened, and let's wait a few seconds. Let's wait if anyone have questions or anything before we start analyzing the market. Let's remove this drawing over here. Remove, remove, remove. Okay, ask you a question here. So great. No one is here. So let's put some music and chillax and do some trades.
You made a mistake, underestimating what you've taken on. I'm out of the You could know, yeah, if I could show you. I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless. So faceless. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I've got a premonition, I'm dreaming you and I. All my darkest fears are coming outside. We got a billion races, we got this melody. And you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe. And when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. And when you need to escape from 1,000 fires, I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are. And I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. We're running in the jungle of love. Listen to my conditions, I got you on my mind. You were stuck in my head and I don't know why. We got a billion races, we got this melody. And you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe. And when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. And when you need to escape from 1,000 fires, I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are. And I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. We're running in the jungle of love.
I remember the days, always at the same place, the same people every day. I will never forget this black old Corvette standing in front of my way. We were both in high school. I thought I was a fool. Oh, when I was falling for you. You keep drawing me in, and I know it's a sin. But even so, yeah, I need you. You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. Feel so bittersweet, knowing I can leave. You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. I can feel the beat on my heart and beats. 'Cause you taste like candy. I remember the night when you kissed me goodbye, and I said I'd be just fine. The next day you were gone, packed your car and left on. But looking back, I still want you. You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. Feel so bittersweet, knowing I can leave. You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. I can feel the beat on my heart and beats. 'Cause you taste like candy. Tasty. Eat you on a Sunday. Feel so bittersweet, knowing I can live. You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. I can feel the beat of my heart increase.
You don't know what goes on behind these eyes. You don't know the loneliness hidden inside. You don't know I wanna eat you up alive. Come and get to know me, my type of wild. I'm the kind that spins you and hangs you dry. Well, I'm already on to another side. If you gave me your whole life, I would still have room for more. 'Cause I've got that appetite. Baby, I never feel whole. You might get me through the night, but it will never be enough. It will never be enough. 'Cause I'm a black gold for your love. Like you, na 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 na, my center of gravity. 'Cause it's true, na na na, everything they say about me. I'll love you like a supernova, burned into you like a shooting star. Always craving for you to come to me. Though this way of life, no, it ain't healthy, but ain't no other way. It's just what I need. I want all your soul, I want your body. I'm the type that licks her play clean. Don't wanna let go, wanna you can eat. If you gave me your whole life, I would still have room for more. 'Cause I've got that appetite. Baby, I never feel whole. You might get me through the night, but it will never be enough. It will never be enough. 'Cause I'm a black gold for your love. For your love. It's true. it's true. No, no, no. Everything they say about me. All of you like a supernova, burn into you like a shooting star. If you give me your whole life, I would still have room for more, 'cause I've got that appetite. Baby, I never feel whole. You might get me through the night, but it will never be enough. It will never be enough. 'Cause I'm a black girl for your love.
Oh no, that is what they all say when they see me pouring some more. Oh, think it's empty again. Better fill it up before I go. 'Cause I'm loving it, feeling it, touch me and being it. See what I see in it, untypical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, fuck with it, flow with it, let it all go. Oh Lord, think you know what I'm like, but you don't fall, you lose control. Bittersweet melody when I dance on your fly. 'Cause I know what you don't, it is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up, babe. How sad. Oh boy, got so hot I forgot what I should have thought of before. Sure ain't easy for you to let go of the rules, 'cause there's so much fun. Are you loving the feeling it? Touch me, are you in it? Don't say what you see, but typical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, fuck with it, flow with it, please let it go. Oh no, think I did it again. I said a few things that I shouldn't have done. Well, bittersweet melody when I dance on your fly. 'Cause I know what you don't, it is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up, babe. How sad. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up, babe. Now come alive with me and quit the jealousy. I know you're bored, I know it's boring me. Now come alive, baby, get out the grave with me. I know you're bored. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up, babe. How sad. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up, babe. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up, babe. How sad.
Oh darling, if I had bought you flowers, would you still be here by my side? Yeah, I thought this moment could be ours, while I'm walking on you through the night. You can break my bones, break all the promises, but leave me alone. Don't break my heart. You should fucking stay with him. Fucking stay with him. Darling, if I had bought you flowers, what if you stayed at home the night? Yeah, I've been lonely counting hours while I'm getting blinded by the light. You can break my bones, break all the promises, but leave me alone. Don't break my heart. You should fucking stay with him. Fucking stay with him. Break my bones, break all the promises, but leave me alone. Don't break my heart.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, tear all the worries out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Maybe my compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer each day to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes it don't last that long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon.
Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon. And I end up alone, I'm not certain. Yeah, the girls impolite in the club every night. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Hollywood perfect.
Thank you everyone for watching. For today's is everything. Next time, just ask your question in the comment if you see it in the live. If you're on the phone or short videos, see it on the right side. Just comment it there. My name is Mohammed Ali. I help you to understand the trading concept better than the people in the Wall Street, and trying to explain to you what this real trading is. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time at the same time every Tuesday at 8 p.m. I do live trading session, live educational session where you can ask your questions and I will respond to it. And there is a lot of many opportunities. And next time we're gonna do some cash ups and share some gift cards in the chat in the live trading session. For we're gonna take some comments and give them some gift cards. So currently I don't have many comments, so the chances are very high. So the chances is very high to win a gift card in worth in value of $100. So just comment below and